Hey guys, welcome to RAMY 3.0. We are currently in workshop number 1 and we're pretty much almost ready for next season. So there's a lot of work yet to be done, but we are ready to start servicing your cars and to start building your dream vehicles. This is workshop number 1. You've got 7 jacks, a lot of space. Our main goal is to keep things clinical. If you're going to hospital, you want the operation room to be like sparkling clean. These are offices for our team leaders and our workshop manager. And then as we walk towards workshop number 2, car comes in from workshop number 1, goes into workshop number 2, where you have an additional of 2 jacks on the right. And a lot of ground space, so we can do groundwork like bumpers, lights, skid plates, power steps. Car finishes from workshop number 1 or workshop number 2. It leaves from a second exit. This allows the flow to be very smooth. And this is the exit. I'm gonna take you through our warehouse. Our warehouse is pretty much complete, but we can say that nothing is complete before another 3 to 6 months from now. But we're on the right track. And this is thanks to your support, the support of our suppliers, our customers, even our competitors. This is our warehouse. Everything is systemized, as you can see. We can know through the system what product is here, what's the quantity, which aisle, which level, which shelf. This makes things much more efficient. So as a lot of people think that we only do 4x4s, but actually we're traders, we do a lot of wholesale. A lot of things we don't talk about, but the main image is the 4x4. So this is why we need to have a very good warehouse that's super well organized. We've opened the door between the warehouse and the showroom so that the warehouse can supply the showroom with products on immediate basis. So we have walk-in customers. Somebody wants a rope, somebody wants anything that's not on the showroom floor, warehouse sends it there, and immediate transaction. Definitely everything will be cleaned up, but it's a matter of time. We're working on the priorities first. This is gonna be our showroom. It is currently our showroom, but this is the last thing we're gonna be focusing on. Now, everything that came from the insurance that's still not complete is being spent on anything that's productive, so products, workshop, and things like that. You can see we've already started putting our tents on display, our roof racks and awnings, our winches over there. It's a nice place, it's a big place. We have high hopes for this. All we need to do is continue working hard, trying to do our best to satisfy the customers, and hope for the best. So keep following us, and as soon as we have something new, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you.